Hitler's defeat was not written in battle plans or strategic brilliance. It was written in numbers, stark, absolute, inescapable numbers that made German victory mathematically impossible from the moment America entered the war. 3-to-1 in steel production, 2,000 to 100 in tank manufacturing, 27 million Soviet casualties against 405,000 American. These were not predictions. These were facts that could be measured, verified, and ignored, which is exactly what Hitler did. Did Hitler understand these industrial numbers? No. Did Hitler believe they mattered? No. Did these numbers decide the war anyway? Yes. The numbers were simple. America produced steel at 3 times Germany's rate. America built 2,000 Sherman tanks monthly, while Germany built 100 Tigers. America's population was 130 million against Germany's 80 million. The Soviet Union spent 47 months fighting on the Eastern Front, while America spent 11 in Western Europe. Hitler looked at these numbers and saw ideology overcoming mathematics. He believed willpower and racial superiority could defeat industrial capacity. He was wrong. The war was not decided by ideology or technical perfection. It was decided by production rates, population advantage, and the brutal mathematics of attrition. Hitler could have understood this. He chose not to. He built a war plan around the belief that German superiority would overcome American numbers. It never did. Hitler believed ideology could defeat mathematics. The numbers always win. Could any German strategy have overcome these numerical disadvantages, or was the outcome decided the moment America's industrial capacity became available? Tell me in the comments.